Hello guys, good day. Hope you have enjoyed the weekend. We are almost at the end of our weekend. So let me begin with this pair. This is Gbpnzd, which is Great Britain pound and New Zealand dollar. Here, this is we are in the monthly time frame, and all the time I was mentioning for the last couple of weeks that ADRT after deep retracement, if support is broken, market will come back there again. And I forgot this when I analyzed last week, and I make a terrible mistake and lost a few bucks here. So I beg your pardon if you had taken the trade as per my opinion for that. So here what happened in September, it got in I beg your pardon, in August it got very much bullish. On September it came down very much bearish, and it was almost outstanding candle, which is more than 150% of the previous candle, and this was the support. It has broken in the monthly time frame, and again on October it tried to retrace back, being bullish. But all the time I was mentioning that if the price has broken this support, the price will come back here. So this happened in November, and in December we are seeing this, but I forgot about this whole scenario, and I gave the wrong interpretation last week. So coming back to week, here we don't have anything to say right now. In weeks we don't have any double top or double bottom at the moment, so there was nothing in the week. And in the monthly time frame, sorry to forget, this was the double top and this was the double bottom, and we are in this range for more than, I think, 5 years almost. We are in this range, or more than 5 years, my dear. We are in this range from 6 years. So here what is happening, that price is going high, coming down, going high, and now prices started coming down. It failed to break this area of monthly price zone. Week we don't have any vital information in this time frame so far the price action is concerned and the candlesticks are concerned. If we go today, now we have a lot of things. The mistake I made was here, but before I analyze it, I would like to show you that in days there is a double top here, a triple top, 1 2 3. If you guys can see this green red green red green red, and this has made a triple bottom also. Here is red green red green red green, and if we consider the last week, 1 2 3 4 5, the price was some here at that time, if I am not wrong. The price started here, and my assumption that price will go high, because in 4 hours time frame I have shown it like this. If you guys can see that there is a lot of things here which is a major support in this area, and the price had been refused once, twice. It went up, the price went down in this last 4 hours chart in previous in the week before previous week. So here this was the shadow which prompted me that the price will go up, but it failed to go up, rather it moved down, because it is ultimately the ADRT after deep retracement. It will come down to the same place. So I am sorry for that. Let's analyze it right now again, so we can make some calls here to see if we can make any money, and if we do, how we can do that. And that's the, and here you can see it has 1 2 3 4 time the price has came to this zone. So any price zone where the price hit more than twice, the zone become very weak and fragile. That was my point, that it will go high. However, it came down like anything. So here there was a double bottom here, and price supposed to react, but it came down very fast and with a high momentum, and this area has failed. Now coming back to the current situation, if we go to day time frame, we can see things more clearly. This has failed. You can see that what I was telling again and again, that 1 2 3 times it hit this zone. So it will be next time, if the price comes here, it will break this zone very easily, and it did happen here, that the price hit this zone once, twice, thrice, fourth, and this time this zone didn't have any power to resist for a single day, whether it just break down. Though we can see this, before it broke down in this place, the price came down and retraced back, and the next day it broke down like anything and didn't respected this support at all. So what is the situation now if we consider in day time frame? You guys can see that if we move to month, we were talking about this area, and that is in day time frame. This is the area we were talking, that this is the deep ADRT after deep retracement. If the support is broken, this is the area. So now I am expecting that the price can react from the price can come here very clearly. It has almost broken all the structure, prevailing structure at the moment. If we see here, it has broken this structure, this is structure again. So there is every possibility price will go down now. And also this single candlestick, which is opposite in color in a bullish trend, and this red candlestick was a big factor. I repeatedly mentioned in different videos that any opposite color candlestick is very powerful, and it did have some reaction here. You can see that due to this candlestick, we had this shadow on I think on Wednesday. This was the shadow which has and the price got rejected from here for this guy. So let me take this out also. It has lost its implication. Now coming back to this reason, we have a double bottom here that caused this top up and down, and again we have this here double bottom, which I have erased already, caused this top, and now it is coming down like this. So what will happen now is our main focus. Here my question is why the price is stopped here. If we go to weekly, we don't have any double bottom. If we go to monthly, we don't have anything. In daily, we don't have anything. So let's go to 4 hours, and in 4 hours you can see, guys, that this red candle, let me minimize, let me take it settings, let me remove it from hours so we can see the chart very clearly. In 4 hours you can see that this is a opposite, again this is a opposite candlestick in a bullish trend. This red guy, this is the red guy. If I remove it, you guys can see this red one. Also we have another one here, so I can see that the price will react here. So let me mark it in 4 hours color so we can understand very clearly what is going on and how the price will react in this zone. And this source of candle, which is not available in monthly, weekly, daily, only in 4 hours, this source of candles are very powerful, because their uniqueness creates a very huge level of impact in the price. And you can see the price came down and went up again. The price wanted to came down and it was rejected again, it went up, and this time the price is coming down here. So I am thinking that there is every possible chance that the price may be rejected here, and the price will move upward from here for the time being. But there is another reason, is this, that this journey has to be fulfilled, which I have mentioned in my at the beginning of this video, that this journey need to be fulfilled, because this guy, the break of structure here has happened already, and the break of support has happened already. This was the break of a change of character. If we can see, this was the change of character happened, then this was the change of structure happened, and the support has been broken. So in short term, if we do consider, in a short term, maybe in short term we may if because it has already created a double bottom, you can see, because this is red green and this is also red green, but this double bottom has not still worked out properly. So this is the thing we need to keep in mind. Before I end this video, I would like to show you guys something which is very important here, so you keep these things in mind. Let me remove this extra thing so you guys can see and judge it properly. This was the place where the support has broken in monthly. Now if this area is broken, it has another resistance, and which is another single candlestick. Again this will be gain, so we can draw this 4-hour price zone bigger, but let it remain as it is, but please keep it in mind that there is another issue here. Keep that in mind, and the price can react here too. So in short term, what I am thinking is that the price need to go a little bit higher to come back here, because a little bit of fair value gap has been left here, and a fair value gap it has been covered here, it is left, and so far if you see the price action in 4 hours, this was the deep bearish candle. Then we have a very good piercing line bullish candle which failed to break this line. Again the price opened here and tried to push the price upward but failed, and it came back, and again we have a bullish candle, I mean a green candle, again the price. So here the price has playing a little bit in what you call ranging 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost 6 7 8, well, almost 1.25 day price is playing around here, and it couldn't break. So my suggestion is to hold your fort. Please check if it breaks down this one. This is very vital point, my dear. If it broke this, don't take any trade, but if it broke this line, in other words, I will suggest wait the price to come here, make the test here, then come here, make the test here. Let me squeeze a little, then the price will come here. This is one option I have, and this option is at the moment less likely, because if we go to day time frame, you can see that it is moving downward for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, almost 7-8 days it is coming down. So I don't expect on Monday or before Tuesday it will react like this. However, if you see the daytime, you can see that we have a fair value gap here left, here the fair value gap has been left. So in my opinion, it will come up a little, it will come up like this. You will retest this area, take out this fair value gap, retest this area, take out this fair value gap, hold on, take out this fair value gap area, then it will come down to this place. So these are the two scenarios I have. Make your trade very sensibly. If I do like to take trade, I will take trade here, not anywhere else. If it comes here, let it be, but I will not take trade, because I don't want to go and risk, to be honest with you, this much 212 pips, because it has the potential to go 212 pips to have this fair value gap also. So I will wait until the price comes to 2.0681, something like this, and then I will take a trade here, sell trade, and give the stop loss a little bit higher, 20 pips higher, then I will take this trade. And here of course you can take the trade, but you have to be careful again. If the price high, you have to watch for the price action here very clearly, so that you can have the confidence that here if you let me enable this, otherwise it is not having any significant impact on the yes. So if the price breaks down here, make the test this guy. This test is very important, and if it fails, then you can go for short. And at the same time, this is another option to go for short. So please keep in mind there is a fair value gap here too. Okay. So these are the two fair value gap we have left with, and I think that to go further down and break this area, because this has been hit twice already, and if we go and see that this was the place where it has put the price up there, and each time it is coming down, it is making higher low and lower low, then again going up higher low, and it is making lower low. So this time if the price comes here, I think it will break down this area and come down much on the bearish side. I am bearish biased for Gbpnzd at the moment, but please wait for this area. This is very important. Thank you very much. Have a good happy week trading for you guys.